Welcome. Today, me and Abi are going to make some yummy rubber pudding
for Mother's Day. So first, we're gonna make the caramel. It's a very easy recipe. First, we need 100 grams of sugar, which we pour in now, and then 1/4 cup of water. And then mix it until it's golden brown. Honey colored, yes, honey colored. So I added 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water. So we're supposed to stir it until it's all dissolved.
This recipe doesn't need an oven, but while you are stirring, take the pot you are going to put the mixture in, and then spread butter on it.
So if it crystallizes a little bit, add some lemon juice to make it better. So now that we got caramel, avoid crystallizing it by using 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So now we're gonna pour this in. Here. All right, now spread it around a little bit. So first, we're gonna make the pudding mix. Add 500 ml milk.
A lot of milk.
Then 2 tablespoons of butter. If you don't have butter, you can use ghee. And then 1/2 cup of sugar.
Half cup.
Half cup. Now wait until it boils and mix it, and then add 1/4 cup of Rava.
For this recipe, we need 2 eggs. If you don't like the smell, add a little bit of vanilla essence. If you don't have vanilla essence, no worries. You can also use cardamom powder.
Now, since the milk is boiled, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup Rava. Stir continuously for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so look at the Rava, it's all cooked. Now we let it cool for 5 minutes just. Now add the batter little by little and stir continuously. Now we pour this into the caramel, the band. Next, cover it tightly with some tin foil. Cover the bowl tightly. So now we're gonna steam it and put the bowl on top of that. And so on medium heat, it'll take at least 35 minutes. Also, cover the pan and wait for 35 minutes.
For us, it took about 1 hour to cook. To check if it's cooked or not, use a fork or a knife and put the fork or a knife in the pudding. If there's batter on it, that means it needs to cook a little more time. If there's no batter on the fork or knife, that means it's fully cooked.
Now we are going to flip the pudding onto a clean plate. with the knife, release the edges to make it looser and easier to put onto the plate. Now we're getting the plate, and yes, and now. And now our cake is done.
Pudding.
Our pudding is done. Alright, so now we're gonna cut it. Nice, soft, and buttery taste. Feeling?
Yeah, I would feel like it too.
Do you have one? You have this? You have a bite first?
It's like so soft.
Really good. We also added some, we also scraped some lemon almonds onto it, and you don't have to do that. If you want, you can put nuts on top. That would also taste good. Tastes really good. Try this at home. It's nice.